Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use cache coding to reconcile bank accounts in Xero. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date, especially when you need to process multiple transactions quickly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is your starting point for accessing all of Xero's accounting features. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in those credentials to access your Xero dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here you'll see several options displayed across the screen. Click on Accounting and an expanded menu will appear below it. From this expanded menu, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to an overview of all the bank accounts you have connected to your Xero account. Now you'll see a list of all the bank accounts that are currently linked to your Xero system. Select the specific bank account you want to reconcile by clicking on it. This action will redirect you to that particular bank account's transaction overview page where you can see all the financial activity associated with it. Once you're on the transaction overview page, look at the top side menu. You'll notice several options available to help you manage your transactions. From these options, click on Cache Coding. This is the feature that streamlines the reconciliation process and makes it much faster to handle multiple transactions at once. When you click on Cache Coding, you'll be taken to a section that displays all your unreconciled transactions. Each transaction will be listed with its relevant details, such as the date, description, and amount. This organized view makes it easy to review what needs to be reconciled and ensures you don't miss anything. To reconcile individual transactions, simply click on the checkbox located on the left side of each transaction row. Once you've selected the transactions you want to reconcile, scroll down to the bottom part of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Save and Reconcile selected. Click this button to process and reconcile those specific transactions. Now, if you're dealing with a large number of transactions and want to reconcile them all at once, Xero offers a bulk reconciliation feature. To use this, click on the checkbox in the row header at the very top of the transaction list. This will automatically select all the listed transactions on that page. Once everything is selected, click the Save and Reconcile selected button at the bottom of your screen. This bulk action clears and reconciles all selected transactions in one go, saving you significant time and effort. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently use cache coding to reconcile your bank accounts in Xero, whether you're handling individual transactions or processing them in bulk. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.